The Grand Princess cruise ship is now docked in Oakland, California after days being kept out at sea. We know just 46 people on board were tested, and of those 46, 21 testing positive, 19 of them crew members who are now staying behind. The rare sight of a yellow flag tonight signifying contagion on board. And what now for the 2,400 passengers who are now disembarking? We know they'll be sent to 4 locations here in the U.S. for quarantine. And tonight, as they come ashore, the governor of Washington state with a sobering warning about where the outbreak may be headed. Here's ABC's chief national correspondent Matt Gutman tonight from California.
Tonight, frustration mounting aboard that virus-stricken ship.
We're getting a little discouraged.
The offloading process grindingly slow, and for many passengers, confusing.
Once we get off, which will probably be tomorrow, we still have 14 more days.
So, Mama, where are we?
We are quarantined.
Tiffany Essig, her husband, and 3 kids among the lucky ones.
They let us go first. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
They disembarked and were promptly bussed to 2 weeks of quarantine. Tonight, officials tell us that ship is flying the yellow flag, an international signal that it's under quarantine. And all 19 of the infected crew members now back on the ship for isolation. One passenger telling CNN the rules kept changing.
Yesterday they had us where we had to maintain 6 feet of distance from everyone. Last night, to exit the boat, they have us standing, next to each other.
Health officials say the outbreak on board a major concern, especially since 1,000 of its passengers are 70 or older, the most vulnerable age group. And in Washington state, we're seeing how unforgiving the virus can be for the elderly. 19 of the state's 22 deaths at this nursing home, and almost all of the surviving residents now infected. This hospital now using a drive-through to test its employees. The governor saying Washington state is now bracing for an explosion of cases.
In 7 or 8 weeks, there could be 64,000 people infected in the state of Washington if we don't somehow slow down this epidemic. And the next week it'd be 120,000, and the next week it'd be 250,000.
Those numbers got a lot of attention today. Matt with us again tonight from California. I know authorities in California tonight, Matt, are reassuring communities there that this whole process of bringing passengers off the ship is safe. And in the meantime, you heard the warning from Washington state's governor about the cases spiking there. And we're learning multiple nursing and long-term care facilities in Washington are reporting the virus has been detected as well.
David, some very disturbing news out of Washington state. In King County alone, 10 nursing homes and long-term care facilities reporting coronavirus. And just since yesterday, the number of patients statewide has nearly doubled. Now, the governor issuing some measures to try to control the spread, including limiting 1 visitor per patient per day in these nursing homes. The question, David, is it enough, and is it soon enough?
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.